Okay, this is my first semi-successful cutting on the TORMACH here. I say semi because these corners should have been taken off also. I mean, what's the use of... Oh, I did this on... I did the CAM program on HSMWORKS, and so it's not the TORMACH's fault. It's I don't know. You tell what size the material is and which way you want to cut. You'd think that it would finish cutting for the whole part, you know. Obviously you don't want extras left over, but like I said, you tell it what size and you think it's going to cut it all. And evidently there's another setting for actually removing it all. I don't know, but I chose this cutting pattern here because first it was just cutting like just square, and then it jammed itself in between two walls for some stupid reason. It didn't show that on the toolpath, but so I went back to this cutting. It's an adaptive, and it took a long time, but it looks like a really cool pattern. Anyway, I didn't expect to see as much segmenting on this here. It's a good thing that wasn't critical. But anyway, I told it not to leave any material, so I figured it was going to make a nice pattern there. Evidently I need to go back over it with a smaller tool because I was just using a 1/2 inch for right now. But anyway, that's my first semi-successful cutting on this TORMACH. So just wanted to show it.